how to get a receipt for an Airbnb trip. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to do so you can follow out this step-by-step tutorial. For that, we can open up the Airbnb application and log in into our account if we are not logged in. And from here, what we can do is we can directly access the profiles option here. So tap on profile and look out for the trips section here. If you do not find the trip section here, you can look out for the trips option within this menu on your dashboard. And from there, you can select the trip or the reservation that you want to receive for. So you can just go over and select the trip or the reservation that you have. And once you find that trip or the reservation that you want to receive for, after you have already booked it, you just need to scroll down and look out for the receipt or the invoice section. You can just go and find it up and you can look out for the option called download, view, or email it. And you can just go over and take the receipt that way. If you have not added payment method, you can tap on reserve. After that, go on with the process of payment. You can tap on next and you can add your credit, debit, PayPal, etc. And you should be finding an option called received or invoice. You can select that option and get the receipt. Airbnb shows host payout, service fee, taxes, etc. useful for expense reports or reimbursement. You can check it out. If you want an official invoice with your company details, you can edit the receipt before downloading. And you can also request a copy from the host if something is missing. But usually that's it, everybody. You can follow out this method and get the Airbnb receipt. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.